Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today you'll be right along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me in fulfilling my channel's mission, which is to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of the trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 to Nevada and California as we drive our final miles in Nebraska, as we drive from Sidney to Pine Bluffs, Wyoming. We'll pass through a couple of small towns and through some amazing scenery of the Great Plains as our elevation keeps ticking up as we reach the Nebraska and Wyoming state lines. And also don't forget that included in this video are, of course, lots of fun facts about our route and Nebraska, as well as a trivia question. This upcoming trip will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places like lonely US 50 in Nevada, a scenic byway with an expensive nickname, 3 beautiful national parks, and of course my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today, I hope this video earns me your subscription so you can join me on my adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and in between new videos it would be awesome if you could check out other videos from this or my 3 other 4,000 mile plus western road trip so you can compare how these places have changed, or better yet, help you plan your adventure through here. If you've missed any of the days before this one, you can catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, if you like this video and similar content, please help me out with a like or sharing it with someone. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm and allows more people to enjoy this content. Lastly, the video description has a ton of information that is helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, some social links, and also ways you can help make more videos like these possible, so make sure to check it out. Now that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the Cornhusker state of Nebraska. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and maybe sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 in the state of Wyoming, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.